Don't touch my mole. Don't touch me. Kiss me, kiss me. Graduation ni Clay. Finish na prep. Grade 1 ka na next time.
I don't want to be grade 1.
Why?
Because mommy will get me sa video call.
Did you eat many kanina? Nag-celebrate kami. No? You eat many, no? Nakatatlong skyflakes.
Opo.
And then rice. Si Clay. Ngayon, it's 9 p.m.
It's 10 p.m.
Aren, anong date ngayon? Aren, anong date? Ha? April 10? April 10, Aren? April 10, 2025.
Daddy, April is 4.
Ha?
April is 4. 4?
It's a month. It's April, it's a month. Sleep na tayo, Clay. It's hot, it's summer.
Music na.
Mag-music na ako, Clay.
Opo.
I play music na, ha?
Ganun, no?
Ano? What do you want when you grow up?
Di kang pare.
Oh, no. Magpapare daw si Clay. Opo, si Opo.
Opo.
Oh, you will become a pare.
Opo.
You will, what will you, put in my forehead? You like this, oh?
Paint.
Go. You put it.
I want to use my paint of the hash.
Ash Wednesday.
Hash Wednesday with the paint. Look, like this, oh. And then again you.
Okay.
Tomorrow.
Bye-bye na.